Welcome to 129 Parryi Cove, or just call me Parryi. Come on in. Let's get to know each other. I am a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. I have right here on your right, step on in. This is my office, or it could be another bedroom. What do you think? I'm ready for somebody who works at home, or somebody who needs the additional living space. Or a game room, as you can see. Do you have a budding musician? I might be perfect. Now then, once you've got a good look, I don't want you to feel rushed. Feel free to pause this at any time. And Carrie and David both love lots of questions, so go ask them any questions as soon as you're ready. When you step out of this front room, look immediately to your right, and you'll see a linen closet. It's a nice size closet for this size house, don't you think? I'm a pretty spiffy house. All right, and then right away, you'll see my first bathroom. This is a great guest bathroom. So your guests are not going to be coming through your main living area, your main bedroom area. I'm right here for privacy for you, for your guests, and privacy for you in the back. But before we leave and look back there, come on and look at the second bedroom. It's also a nice little bedroom, closet. What do you think? Maybe a second office. Maybe this is what you want for your office area. What kind of furniture would you put in here? Stop and ponder. And when you're ready, let's keep going on back. Now then, as you step around the corner, you'll see that my laundry room is located on your left. I have a really nice spacious laundry room. And the door to the garage, extra wide. I'm ready for your washer and dryer to move in. Come on back into the main dining and living area. Nice little breakfast nook. What do you think? How does your table fit in with this? Do you have enough chairs? What kind of seating would you have? Now, on your right, you'll see that I have a beautiful, updated kitchen. You know, I'm only 4 years old. Check out my smooth Korean countertops and that farmhouse sink. I've got it going on. Nice, big, ready for your parties, ready for entertaining. I've got a gas grill. Go ahead and open these cabinets and the drawers. They're smooth and ready for your things. Nice big space for the fridge. And yes, I know it's hard to believe, but in a house my size, I even have room for a pantry. Go ahead and take a peek if you want. Now the next door to the left is the backyard. We'll check that out in a minute. In the meantime, let's go ahead and look at this great living area, already set up for the big game or a movie with friends and family. What would you watch? Does your sofa fit in me? Once you've had time to stop and ponder, let's go on back to the primary bedroom. It's a nice big bedroom. Bright windows throughout. Did you notice my beautiful windows? It's got a ceiling fan in here. And go ahead and look in this primary bathroom. Glass shower case, double vanity. I've got storage, linen closet on one side, of course the potty room on the other. And then come on back. Check out this nice closet. Would your stuff fit in me? I bet it would. I bet we could make it work. Stop and ponder where you'd organize things. Once you've got an idea, let's make our way back to the main living area. Remember, ask Carrie and David any questions as you come through. As you make your way back to that door with the black screen on it, go ahead and open it up and turn around and ponder. Check out over your left shoulder. Think about it. I'm pretty spacious for a house that's 1,516 square feet, right? I make the most of the space here, and I'd be easy to keep clean. I know you've noticed my hard flooring. I saw you looking, but that's okay. Come on out, let's talk about the backyard. Now, my backyard's a little bit of a different design. I actually must have 2 backyards, don't I? I've got some nice xeriscaping around the edges, so you'll never have to do a lot of trimming. On the right You've got a nice rectangular shaped backyard. Maybe it's a play area. Maybe it's a dog run for your puppies. Maybe it's the place for barbecues. You decide. Let's talk. And on your left, I've got almost a diamond shaped size. Again, with that great xeriscaping, so there's not a lot of work. I'm not going to keep you busy on Saturdays. I want to be out here and enjoying life with you. I've got an extended porch with a ceiling fan. I'm ready for porch sipping weather. And hey, isn't this great weather? Let's spend some time together. Go talk to Carrie and David and let them know what you think. I'm so glad you came by. I hope we can spend more time together.